WordPress comes with a default login page, but did you know that you can customize it to match your website's branding? This is 8482 Media, and today we'll show you how to create a custom login page for your WordPress website. So first step, go to your login page. And then for this video, we're going to use a plugin called Login Press. So go to your plugins and then click Add New. And then this is the plugin that we need. So we hit Install Now and then Activate. Once the plugin is installed and activated, let's go to the Login Press menu and select Customizer. On the Customizer screen, you will see several options to customize your login page. You can select a theme. So for the free version, you only have the default theme. So you only have one theme available for the free version. And then you can also customize your logo, the logo of your login page. And then customize login form, customize forget form, then reCAPTCHA, error messages, welcome messages, form footer, and so on. There are a lot of options for you to choose for. Okay, so let's start. So first, the themes. So we will select the default one, and then the logo. So we will select an image for the login page logo. So let's click on this one. And then I will select the logo of my website. Then click here, choose image. You can also edit the width and the height of your logo here at the bottom part. But for me, this one is okay. Let's go back. Next, we will select a background for our login page. So we click in here, and then we have an option to select a background color for the login page. So there are default colors here for you to choose from. If you don't want a background color, you may just clear it. And then if you want to add a background image instead, then you have an option here to enable the background image. So just tick the slider here. There are images here for you to choose from, but you also have an option to upload an image that you want. In the background image, click on Select Image, and let's upload an image like this one. Then choose Image. And then background repeat, select no repeat. The position of the image, the position of the background image. So we'll put that as center. And then background image size. We will use cover so that it will automatically scale and crop a background image to cover the entire container element while preserving the aspect ratio of the image. This is very useful when you want to ensure that a background image fills a container element without distorting or stretching the image. And if you're happy with your custom login page, you may click on Publish button here. And then let's exit from here. And then for us to try, we will log out. And then there you go. That's it. You have successfully created a custom login page for your WordPress site using the Login Press plugin. Now your login page will match your site's branding. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.